Good morning students. Today we are going to see Unit 13 Structural Organization of Animal. In that, rabbit, external morphology and anatomy. First we are going to see external morphology of rabbit. Rabbit scientific name is Oryctolagus cuniculus. Scientific name of rabbit is Oryctolagus cuniculus. Rabbit. External morphology. What are the topic we are going to see in the external morphology? First one, body shape, size and coloration. Body division. Next, head. Then neck, trunk, tail, integument. Integument means body skin. Skin is otherwise called integument. Skin is otherwise called integument. Now we are going to see detailed in external morphology of rabbit. Shape, size and coloration. First one, shape, size and coloration. The body is elongated, cylindrical. Cylindrical, you know very well about that. That is somewhat elongated, lengthy. Male and female are same size. Male rabbit and female rabbit are same in size. They grow about 45 centimeter. The body length, the cylindrical shape is length is 45 centimeter. Weight 2.25 kg. 2.25 kg. 2.25 means quarter. 2.25 kg adult. Color of the body white color or black and white, like that the different color. Body covered with fur. The fur is keep the body warm. Warm means the mammals are warm-blooded organism. You studied in the primary session or in the middle school warm-blooded organism, cold-blooded organism. Warm-blooded organism never change the body temperature according the external temperature, outside environmental temperature, outside of the temperature. The body temperature always constant. That is called warm-blooded organism. Rabbit is a warm-blooded organism. Body, next topic, body division. Body is divided into four: head, trunk, neck and tail. Head, neck, trunk and tail. Neck you know, head you know, trunk means body, full body is called trunk. Then last one is tail. First we are going to see head. Head is ovoid in shape. Ovoid means oval in shape, flattened, front side flat. Where turn-cat snort, turn-cat mouth and nose appear in the same place, then called turn-cat snort. It contains mouth, external nose, eyes, mouth, ears, verbiaceae. Ears, if you touch, it will respond. That is called verbiaceae. The mouth is transverse slit-like bounded upper lip, slanting, slit-like bounded upper lip and lower lip. Just above the mouth, two oblique openings called nostrils. Nostril is a nose, breathing. From each side of the upper lip, tactile has vibration. Both the side of the mouth hair, some special hairs are present, that is called tactile hairs or vibration. Vibration means whiskers. If you touch that hair, they are responding. The rabbit like cat, dog, they have near the mouth some special hairs. That hairs is called tactile hairs or vibration whiskers. If you touch that hair, they have show the some expression. A pair of large movable external pinna. Pinna is otherwise called Ears. Ears. It is situated in the top of the head. Next part is neck. Neck is connected head with the trunk. Neck is connected head with the trunk. Connecting part. Next, trunk. Trunk is a body, full body. Trunk is divisible into anterior thorax and posterior abdomen. Anterior thorax, posterior abdomen. The female have 4 or 5 teats or nipples in the ventral surface between the thorax that help to feed the young ones. Nipple. Next, the trunk bears 2 pair of pentactile limbs. Pentactile limbs. It is foldable. 4 limbs are shorter than the hind limb. 4 limbs shorter than the hind limb. 4 limb lengthier than the 4 limbs is shorter than the hind limb. 4 limb means front limb. Hind limb means back limb. 4 limb somewhat small compared to back limb. Limb means leg. All the digits. Digits means the leg has finger-like projection that is called digits. They are closed with the skin that is claws. The anus present in the anterior posterior end of the abdomen base of tail. Base of the tail. Anus. The female ventral side of the slit-like vulva are present. Male penis present the ventral side anus. Male penis present near the anus. The male has the testis enclosed scrotal sac. Next part is tail. Next part is tail. The forearm, upper arm, forearm, then digits, then foot, then thigh. These are the limbs. Then tail. Tail is a short, gives signal. It helps to give signal to the other rabbit the event of danger. Some danger will come, that time the tail will give signal to the other rabbit. Last one, integument. Integument means skin. The integument forms the outer covering of the body. The stretches which are derived from the hair, claws, nail. The integument have hair, claws, nails, and gland like sweat gland, sebaceous gland, mammary gland. Sweat gland you know. Sebaceous gland is a oil gland. Then mammary gland. Mammary gland is modified gland of the skin. Mammary gland is modified gland of the skin. Mammary gland secrete milk and help in nourishing the young one. The mammary gland help feed the young one. Young one will feed with the help of mammary gland. The sweat gland or sebaceous gland embedded present inside the skin. The skin regulate the body temperature. The skin regulate the body temperature. Why means the rabbit is a warm-blooded organism. The skin regulate the body temperature.